What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kevin. Today I'm in beautiful Nice, and right here today, look at all these people around here. They all got their cameras out. They're all waiting for one thing, and that's the Gumball Rally 3000. Today it's coming to Nice, first time ever in Nice, and they've gone from Istanbul all the way to Ibiza, and today they're gonna stop here in Nice. I'm gonna hopefully get to see my friends Damon and Dave from Daily Driven Exotics. So let's stick around, let's find out how it goes. Now you see how many people are here. So many up. And they're all here for the Gumball. Let's see them. Oh, that's sick. There. Look at that. How classic is that right here for everybody? All the tourists, look at all the tourists. Gotta love that. A little train on train. There you go. That's classic. That a pretty looking sight. Well, guys, here we are again, trying to get close to the boys here, and as you can see, we got the Gumballers right here. My boys are here listening to Lambo. Sounds epic, just gotta say. What is love? Welcome to France, brother. Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. No more. What is love?
What is up if you're finally here? What is up if you're finally here?
Shit, that was a fucking crazy. That was a crazy day. Like all of the days, we were about to be dead. Like we just lost a tiger. So
look at that, right there.
God damn it!
Come on. Sweet, brother. Welcome to France, bro. This is gonna get interesting. Let's see how the police deal with this problem, because that's amazing. Oh, it's gonna be fun. Right here you got the G-Wagon. It's baller. Travis edition. That's the sound. Just coming in behind me there. Have a look at that beautiful sunset right now. Absolutely gorgeous right there. And I'll tell you, just up ahead, I got me a Gumballer. Oh, look at him in the Urus. Always love to see those Lamborghini Uruses with the vibrant bright colors, just absolute beauties to see. And for me, It's a lot of fun. Just come down and check out some of these guys rolling down here in the Lamborghini. Can't wait to see that. Yeah, what's up, boys? What's up, guys? Right. Oh, look at that, the Gumballers. You guys rock, man. Just want to say welcome to France, guys.
Cheers,
welcome to France, man. Enjoy. Welcome to France, my dear. Thanks, guys. Have a good time. How you guys doing, man? You all right?
All right, my friend.
Long ride, eh? Long ride?
Yeah, today was okay.
Yeah.
You want to hear something? Yeah, okay.
Yeah, let's give it to him.
Okay, ich hab gemerkt, du kannst nicht rappen.
That's a perfect one, guys. Ah, the Peppa Pig! Peppa Pig! Oh yeah, park it right there. Park it right there. There we go. I was doing a photo shoot of that right there. I said I was doing the photo shoot.
You ever seen a Bravo's Porsche before?
Oh, man.
Bad, isn't it? It's her personal car.
I know.
It's crazy.
And she drives it every day, man.
It's a private car. Welcome, guys. Alright, guys, it's getting near the end of the night. I was gonna come down and check out and hopefully get a glimpse of where they are, maybe parked at the hotel, so I'll go have a look and see if I can see them parking at the hotel. Yeah, look at what I found. The Gumballers are here. Well, guys, have a look. I made it to where everybody's parked, Evelyn in, and have a look right here at all the G-Wagons, all the Lamborghinis. They're all parked in here. And the hard part is, can't figure it out, but they couldn't do an event here. Hey guys, I just gotta say, thanks for watching the video tonight. I got Damon in here, right here. They're doing their vlogs, so don't want to jump in on their vlogs. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. And here we are, right here, doing the flex, filming. Guys, thanks for watching. Just wanted to say, enjoy the party, and welcome to France, guys, from Canada. Thank you, man.
Have a good one, guys. Well, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for me here tonight, here at the Gumball 3000, along here with the Lamborghini Rivolto. Unbelievable. And the big G-Wagon. Guys, if you liked that video today, smash the subscribe button, hit the like button. Thanks for watching. See you next time. From the Gumball 3000.